As the sacred month of Ramadan draws near, our hearts beat with anticipation. It's not just about fasting from dawn till dusk, it's about a spiritual journey, a time for reflection, and an opportunity to deepen our connection with the divine. But how can we truly prepare for this blessed month? How can we make this Ramadan unlike any other? Each day, as the sun rises and sets, we have the chance to weave a thread of kindness into the fabric of our lives. It's the simple act of giving charity, little by little, every day. It's not about the grand gestures or the size of the donation. It's about the consistency of our compassion, the sincerity of our intentions, and the impact of our actions. So, as we count down to Ramadan, let's cultivate the habit of giving, like watering a garden with steady drops, nurturing the seeds of goodness within us. Let's make this Ramadan a time of not just self-reflection, but also selfless action. Let's get into the habit of giving charity, little by little, every day. Join us on this journey of spiritual growth and transformation. Together, let's prepare for Ramadan like never before. Stay tuned for more tips and guidance on our Prophet's Guidance video series. Until next time, may peace and blessings be upon you all. Ramadan Mubarak.